Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The power is complemented by the capability for a performance character befitting of this luxury leader. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: twin-turbo V6 engine, AIRMATIC height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, remote engine start, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and automatic transmission. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,